Hey, good job, fella. Here, I'll give you another one. Don't go over there, buddy. I'll give you another one. Here, another big one. Hey, Zach. Here, here's another big one. Yeah. You can do that with one hand. Yeah. There we go. Here, Zach, here's one that's your size. This is just your size. Gotta get both, gotta give it both hands, Zach. Both hands. Gotta give it both hands. That's a nice one, huh? Cut your mouth, huh? Uh-oh. Okay, cool. Cut your mouth. Okay. Here's this one. Yeah. No. That's not good. That's very, it's a very attractive rock. That's a very pretty rock, though, isn't it?
Yeah.
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 Yeah. What about that one? That's really nice too, isn't it? She doesn't like surprises.